Did you know that cats can live a long time? With proper care, indoor cats can live up to 20 years or more. While outdoor cats typically have a shorter lifespan, due to the dangers of cars, predators, and disease.